Hello everyone, welcome back to NRK Guide. In this video, I will show you how to get official transcripts before or after completion of your degree. Before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In Google, type EDTTS, click on the first link, Electronic Document Delivery and Tracking System. It will navigate you to VTU EDTTS website. In my previous video, I have shown in detail how to sign up and get the password from VTU. You can click on the above pop-up link for more detail. Once you get your password from VTU, you can enter your username and password and click on login. Logged successfully, click on OK. It will navigate you to VTU dashboard page. In profile page, your name, USN number, batch year and your email ID will be auto-populated. You have to update your current postal address, upload your photo and signature. Under Apply Documents tab, in Select or Add Document drop-down, select Official Transcript. Click on Submit. This is the application for issue of official transcript. If you have completed your degree and have not received your OT, then click on Applying after completion of degree. Else, you can click on Applying before completion of degree. Enter your current semester. Update month and year of completion of degree. Update your postal code, postal address. Here is the fees detail. Enter number of transcripts you want. Click on Submit. Application submitted successfully. Click on OK. Now you can see applied document is official transcript. You can check your application ID and document ID. You can click on View to view the application. Here you can check fees to be paid for one transcript is 800 rupees. Once you update all the detail, you can click on Pay Fees. Please note, after making a payment, if you don't receive success message, please do not make multiple payments. You can wait until next day and send a mail to edtts@vtu.ac.in or contact to this number. And also, do not visit VTU campus for clarification. The status will be updated the next day after 24 hours. After successful payment, complete your application by doing the final submission under Final Submission tab. Your application will be taken for processing only after final submission of the application. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone. See you in my next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.